they took a loss last year. They were 9-0 when they lost to Pitt. So it is possible for them to get back to the playoff. But now that window, the margin for error now is 0, right? They've got to run the table.
They got to run the table, no question. But we've seen this storyline before, like you just said, Ray, a year ago. They lost at home to Pitt, could not stop Pitt. When you look at the remaining schedule, they got a big-time opponent in a few weeks outside of Georgia Tech, North Carolina State. You got Florida State at home. You got the Citadel at home. You got South Carolina. If they can run their table right there, the remainder of their schedule, they will have an ACC title game to play in. And you could get a top-ranked Miami team. If they continue to take care of their business, you could get a highly ranked Virginia Tech team who, oh, by the way, Clemson has already beaten so far this season. But that would be another opportunity for them to really build on their current 2017 resume. But most importantly, all of that will not matter if they don't take care of their business against Georgia Tech, the next opponent up.
It's been a different ACC than what I think we thought at the beginning of the season with Florida State. Now Clemson a loss, and NC State kind of coming out of nowhere a little bit to suddenly be a contender.